Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Grand Cherokee diesel engine. First, ensure your engine bay is spotless. A clean environment prevents debris from entering critical systems. Next, meticulously examine your replacement engine for any shipping damage or missing parts before installation. Finally, confirm all engine mounting points are ready and accessible for the new engine's arrival. This careful preparation saves significant time and effort later on. Now, with the engine prepped, it's time for the crucial step of installation. Using appropriate lifting equipment, gently lower the new diesel engine into its bay. Take your time to align the engine mounts perfectly with the chassis. This precision is vital for proper fitment and vibration control. Once aligned, secure all mounting bolts, tightening them to the exact torque specifications provided by the manufacturer for safety and stability. With the engine securely in place, we move on to reconnecting all the vital systems. First, carefully mate the transmission to the engine, ensuring all bolts are torqued correctly. Next, systematically reattach every electrical harness and ground strap. Double-check each connection for security. Finally, reconnect all fuel lines, vacuum hoses, and cooling system hoses, making sure clamps are tight and connections are leak-free. This step requires patience and attention to detail. Before the first start, conduct a thorough visual inspection, ensuring every connection is tight and secure. Refill all necessary fluids, including engine oil, coolant, and power steering fluid to their correct levels. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Start the engine. Listen carefully for any unusual sounds and observe the dashboard for warning lights. Finally, let the engine run for several minutes, then meticulously check for any signs of fluid leaks. Congratulations on your successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.